Well, howdy folks. Today we're over here at the Disney Polynesian Bungalows, and as you can tell, I'm doing a voiceover. Morgan decided to film today and didn't want to do the talking, so I'm voicing over, guys. Bear with me. So as you walk in, you got a little decor, a little place to throw your keys. You got bedroom number 1 in here. You see the surfboards as a headboard there. That's kind of cool. You got your television, and you got a bed built right into the wall here. It's actually on the outside of the wall, but it folds up. So you got an extra little bed in there, so if you got a lot of people staying in here, you got a little more space to throw them, instead of sleeping on the floor. You come in here, right across the hall, you've got your master bedroom here. And the master bedroom comes with the private bathroom of its own. You got your closet, you got the door that takes you right on outside over here, and you've got your television, and as you can see, the bedroom across the hall. You come into the master bedroom over here and you notice the mirror almost immediately, and you see the television built right into the mirror. That's awesome. Until we saw that for the first time doing a tour on one of these places, I've never seen anything like it. It's kind of cool, except you kind of wonder if your kids are going to watch that more than brush their teeth. But no, it's kind of nice. I don't really want to spend most of my time in the bathroom, but it is nice. You got a shower in there. The tile's a nice choice of tile, and the artwork and theming is pretty nice in there. So it's a nice, I like the bathroom. It's really nice when you see it. Across the hall, you've got the surfboards there as the headboard. There you got me and Marley, yay! And coming down the hall here, you've got the bathroom. So this is the common bathroom that everyone's gonna use. You got your shower. I like the tile work in there. It looks like mini surfboards, but it's just decorative tile. And you got some artwork on the wall as you're walking in the main hallway there. And then you've got your kitchenette. Your kitchen, you've got some built-ins over here. You see the bed with the little parade that's in the back of the bed there. So when you flip it up, you're not even gonna see that. The bed folds out, and you see that couch there? That wall pulls down, and it's actually a bed that pulls down out the wall. Right there's your kitchen, tile, you got your ovens. And then out back here, you've got your deck, and that's gonna oversee the Magic Kingdom. You got Space Mountain over there. Yeah, it's really awesome out there. You got your little jacuzzi out back there. Some high ceilings. I like the cabinets and I like the ceilings. The design is pretty basic, but it's nice. It does what it needs to do. These guys are a little pricey to stay over here, but you know, it depends on how often you go here. If you don't go very often and you're willing to spend the extra money to have some fun, it's a nice place to come and get for the weekend, you know. Once again, a look at the master bathroom over here. You got that TV in the glass one more time. You got the double sink in there for him and her. Now I find most of the time when you're staying in these places, even though it's a master bedroom, most of the time your kids are in here using the bathrooms anyway. They're brushing their teeth. Pretty much it's a free-for-all when you stay in here, so it's kind of cool. And there's your front bedroom one more time. We'll get in here, get a look at that. And that's one of your Disney Vacation Club guides right there. Get another look out the window. The headboards are awesome. So we actually have another video like this posted. We posted it this past year, so this is a refresh for us. And this is coming out the back door and heading back into civilization. There's your Polynesian Resort over there, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give us a subscribe and a thumbs up, guys. They're always booked out. No.